Okay, today also I am with my Jasmine. This is the season, so I love to see them. So by seeing them, I wanted to make videos. So they are so fresh and beautiful. So today I plucked them bit late, so it became larger than the normal size. The last few videos I was plucking in the early morning, so this is almost I plucked in the afternoon, so it became this big. It is almost bloomed. Because it was raining heavily in Pune. You can see water cloggings everywhere. You might have seen in the news and all. So it was raining here also. So I wanted to tell you something this garland making. When I was showing my daughter, she was not understanding how to make it. She used to do, but she forgot, it seems. So I showed her the way. In the last video I was simply making them. I don't know whether you understood or something. So this is how you supposed to make. So you have to keep the flower on the finger, leave the thread behind. You have to hold the jasmine like this. Then you take out the thread and make the knot. So it stays tightly. So if you want to make it little closer, you can pull the thread and you can adjust the jasmine near to the previous one. So check that how I am holding it, and make it comfortable. Like I am holding with the finger and I am using the thread. I am taking out the thread from underneath and taking and pulling. Make sure that it is the knot is properly done. Then only it may stay back. So you should not use more pressure also, otherwise it may break. So be careful. So practice them. That is how you can learn any of the skill. So I love to do this. It became one of the morning routine of mine. So I'm so happy. I'm distributing this garland to many of my friends. So they are also feeling so happy. I think this may be my third video on doing this, because when I pluck them, so it gives me immense pleasure. So I wanted to show you as well, because you among you, some may be liking jasmines, right? So you may feel happy by seeing this. So I wanted to show this. So even I make these kind of videos for kind of journaling. I normally say that. So in future I can see this, right? So it may perish after some time, but even if it is in our memory, we could not see that, right? So these videos will help me to see that. Then now I am going to show you one trick. Okay, so when we were small, some friends of mine or some cousins of mine, how to make this garland. So for them we give this job. So they have to take out two flowers like that, and they'll be arranging it. So those who are making garland, for them it is during weddings and all, those time we used to buy these kind of jasmine, even the bigger one, the round one, that also we used to buy, and we used to, all the girls in the house used to garland them. See how fast I am doing. If you had to arrange them by yourself, it is going to take time. Okay, so this is one of the thing we jointly do. Those all days I started remembering. That was so nice. Like we all sit in a circle, and a few kilos of jasmines they used to buy for marriage. So we used to do that. Means like everybody, almost everyone knows how to garland them. So very few will be there. Sometimes the smaller kids will be there, they won't be knowing it. So we give these kind of jobs to those kids. So that was an experience. So now I try to recollect that that picture is not clear, right? So I wanted to make this as a video to keep my memory or this scene always fresh, and that I can see at any time, right? So that's why I'm making this. So I hoping this may be helpful and making somebody happy. I think I have a good collection. Even after giving to a few of my friends, I got a good collection of them. This is the garland I made out of today's flower. So now I have 2 boxes full of flowers. So this is of my 2 weeks collection. So they are fresh. So in this box you can see slight color change. They are of a bit old. So I am using from that, and this is the fresh one. So this is so fresh. You can see that. So why the color also, so that's why I gave you that tip, right? You have to pluck them as early as possible, so it stays long. So this, you can see the bud is closed, but today's bud is open, so it won't stay longer. So I'm going to put this in this box, and this is an airtight container. I'll store them in the fridge. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.